Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best grill cleaners in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. Zepp CUOVGR19 Heavy Duty Oven. If you want to make sure that your grills look shiny after the cleaning process, then it is best to go for the Zepp CUOVGR19 that made using a specially formulated formula. It has no abrasives and doesn't leave any scratches on the grills. Furthermore, it helps in resisting the watermarks as well as fingerprints quite comfortably. This cleaner works in the same way on both stainless steels and brushed chrome with the same precision. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. CLRPBBBQ26 Grill Cleaner. It is one of the best grill cleaners based on a completely non-toxic, biodegradable formula for keeping your barbecue grills in an ideal condition. You need only 2-3 minutes for completing the cleaning job efficiently. This cleaner doesn't have harmful chemicals that make it an ideal option for homes with kids and pets. It is a perfect option for eliminating even toughest stains created due to burns on the grills. Number 8. Trinova Grill Cleaner Spray. This high-quality cleaner can work on both the grills and its outside cover adequately with minimal effort. It is an all-rounder product manufactured by the Trinova brand that doesn't create any bad odor that irritates noise. It is delivered in a non-stick bottle that keeps the cleaner secure for a greater amount of time. You can use this product with bristle, pad, and brush tools. Number 7. Carbona 322-1 Cleaner. If you want to have an added benefit of cleaning the oven along with barbecue grill, then buy the Carbona 320 without thinking further. It is an effective solution for clearing the buildups from the grills and oven in an effortless manner. This easy-to-use a cleaner that doesn't demand the heat of the grill. It is one of its type products that offer a unique and safer cleaning experience to buyers. Number 6. Native Organics Oven and Grill Cleaner. If you are one of those individuals who prefer buying natural products, then it will be a wise decision to go for this best grill cleaner. It made from plant-based ingredients without any help of the toxic chemicals that irritates eyes and skin. You can easily remove the stains with this solution without any involvement of heavy scrubbing. It is based on the special formula that allows the solution to complete the job within 1-2 minutes. Number 5. Kugon Grill and Grate Cleaner. In this position, our team has placed this top-grade cleaner that not only cleans the mess but also ensures the corrosion stay aware. This cleaner has shown perfect results on impurities like carbon, grease, caked on food, etc. It comes with a solid gel that clings with the surface and cleans it from tar. In addition to cleaning, this solution reduces smoke and flare-ups to a greater extent. Number 4. If you are tired of oil, stains, grease, and food spills on your grill, then it is time to say them goodbye by buying this amazing grill cleaning spray. This product demands very little effort from the user and works on a variety of surfaces. It is a completely non-toxic solution that works without leaving scratches on the surface. There is no phosphate in this cleaner, making it completely safe for the skin. Number 3. Therapy Premium Stainless Steel Cleaner. It is one of the best grill cleaners for individuals who don't prefer buying separate products for cleaning various kitchen appliances. It can clean a variety of things that range from grills to the stoves and even refrigerators. This amazing cleaning formula consists of a high-quality blend of vanilla, lavender essential oil, and natural coconut oil. It will not only remove the steel from the grills but also make the cleaning experience pretty easier even if it is your first time. Number 2. Weber Grill Cleaner Spray. This solution by Weber brand is the best grill spray that cleans the mess without causing any irritation to the skin. It manufactured using USDA approved formula so that the buyers receive a solid cleaner. The company has used completely natural material for manufacturing this excellent product. On top of that, this solution is completely non-flammable, non-corrosive, and non-toxic. In addition to grills, it can work perfectly on the smokers, oven, stoves, and many more. Number 1. Easy Off Professional Oven. No other product deserves to top this list other than this professional cleaner manufactured by the Easy Off brand. It is a heavy-duty solution that can eliminate even hardest baked-on spills in a matter of minutes. This tough solution is based on the advanced grease-cutting formula that works perfectly against the grime and grease. It is easy to use a product that eliminates all the mess without causing any scratches or fingerprints. Also, this product is ideal for daily use to clean broilers and ovens along with the barbecue grills. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.